In this video, I'm going to test printing on the backside of the Ender 3 original bed. So this is the opposite or the backside of the original default bed. And I was surprised. It actually worked well in this print here, as you can see. The bed is a little bit smooth, so similar to the glass bed. You probably want to apply some glue. I did not apply glue on this one here and it worked out just well, but the stickiness, it's not that great. And you can I can see a scenario where the print can come off the bed as you're printing. So you probably want to consider applying that glue. Otherwise, this worked out very well. And I think it's not a bad option. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.